I'm Abdullah Abu Bakar, a field-free certified small animal intern working in Lahore, Pakistan. I am the ambassador of International Veterinary Students Association Standing Committee on Animal Welfare. Today we're going to talk about the pet welfare in Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. We have Dr. Abdul Rehman with us today. Can you please introduce yourself, Dr. Abdul Rehman?
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Abdul Rehman and I'm a DVM graduate from Pakistan. Right now I'm working in Canadian Veterinary Clinic, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So first of all, I want to thank Dr. Abdullah Abu Bakar for giving me this opportunity to speak about these topics which are pretty close to my heart. So without wasting any time, I'll move on to the questions.
Thank you so much for your kind words and introduction. My first question is, what are the most common animal welfare challenges you observe in small animal practice in Pakistan?
The most important thing is the general lack of knowledge about the pet care. Like the vaccination schedules, people don't know about the vaccines, their schedules, which can lead to viral infection in their pets. Secondly, is the nutrition. They don't know about the proper nutrition, which can lead to the kidney issues, the liver issues, and other health problems. And thirdly, I think is the proper hygiene protocols. People are also unaware of it. And I've seen lots of pet owners that really love their pets, but they don't know even their basic needs, which can lead to an unintentional neglect. And the second most important thing is the access to the veterinary care in most of the areas of Pakistan. And even in the cities where the clinics exist, there is a big issue, big concern, that is affordability. And if I compare it with the UAE, so the things are pretty structured here, and people have more easy access to the clinics, to the facilities, and people are more aware about their pet care, their basic needs. So there's still room of improvement here as well, but it's quite improved if I compare it with Pakistan.
That's a valuable perspective. I'll move to the next question now. How would you describe the general public awareness and attitude towards small animal welfare?
It's growing in Pakistan, but still in the early stages if I compare it with the other countries. In big cities, for example, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, there is a visible shift. People are keeping, more people are keeping pets, and they are well aware of their nutrition and vaccines and everything. But if you go to the rural areas, people are not seeing the small animals with the same compassion. But here in UAE, even at the community level, there is more openness for the animal welfare. And there are also government-run shelters, there are more campaigns, and there are like TNR projects, trap, neuter and return. So the people are more aware here in UAE and other countries as well.
Well explained, thanks. I'll move to the next question now. How do you handle the situations where pet owners unintentionally hurt their pets due to misinformation or lack of awareness?
It's a very delicate situation, and I think that empathy and education go a long way. I've seen so many cases in Pakistan where people are giving inappropriate diets to their pets and using some harmful home remedies that can even worsen the situations. And one most common thing that I've seen in Pakistan, I would love to share, is in cats. When they see their cats are feeling any kind of pain, or they feel like their pet is having fever, they are using paracetamol, which is highly hepatotoxic for the cats, but they are unaware, and they are even more worsening the situations. And if I compare it with the UAE, so here the things are pretty structured, and even at the clinics we educate the clients, we give them brochures, leaflets, and people also love to know about their pets and like how to do their basic care and everything. So I think there is a big gap that needs to be filled in Pakistan.
Thanks for addressing this question in a great way. Let's move to the next question. What role do veterinarians play in promoting animal welfare? And what more can be done at the community or government level?
veterinarians are not only treating the illness, they are the educators, they are the advocates, and sometimes even rescuers. I've seen in Pakistan lots of veterinarians are going beyond their clinical duties, and they are trying to spread more awareness in their communities, but they need some institutional support. The government or the NGOs should invest in these awareness campaigns and the school programs or the subsidized veterinary services. So yeah, there is again a big gap. If I compare it with the UAE, the government is playing a vital role, and the NGOs are also working quite in a better way, and they're investing really a lot in these kind of projects. For example, the TNR project that I mentioned earlier.
Interesting. Building on that, I'll move to the last and most important question. Have you seen any progress in the field of small animal welfare in the recent years?
So it's a big yes. I've seen an encouraging progress over the past few years in Pakistan, as many young people are pursuing veterinary education, and they are being more vocal on social media, and also the opening of the new shelters and private rescue groups. So these grassroots efforts, and along with the online campaigns, they are making a big impact. I think the key contributing factor is internet these days, as people have more access to the information, and they're starting to know that how a responsible pet owner should look like, and also the passion of the young veterinarians and the students in changing the environment, the whole culture around the animals is also playing a vital role. As compared to the UAE, Pakistan is still catching up, but the good thing is that the direction is positive. If they continue with the same momentum, and they get the support of NGOs and the government, so we would see more meaningful changes in the years to come. And I would like to say thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak about these topics.
Thank you so much, Dr. Abdul Rehman, for addressing all the questions in a great way. It was a pleasure having you with us today, and I hope that we all will always prioritize the pet welfare.